con is in 2 days. Why not start a prop project now? Let's see how far I get. 16. Mark it 12. 16. So I know where to cut. 2. We are good. Yes, we are. Gonna let those dry for a good half hour. Hopefully it won't rain. It has been an hour and I think it's time to try a second coat. So I'm going to bring these guys in and paint them here and let them dry until we are back. Second coat is on. I'll see in a few hours if I need a third coat. I'm guessing yes, because I think it might stick to the newspaper, but that's life. As expected, they all stuck to the newspaper. So the third coat, definite. This time I've surrounded them with little gravel so they don't roll when I try to paint them. Other than a couple little spots, these guys are painted and not quite good to go because I really do want to seal them to make sure that the paint stays on, which means I'm going to spray them now. It is 1:26 a.m. I've got to be at the con tomorrow at 2, so I've got 12 hours to finish this, let it dry, assemble it, and pack. And I guess I will be doing everything else for con prep at the hotel. It's 4:39 a.m. and putting the last coat of sealer on these things. And I'm gonna sleep a little bit and then start packing up for the con. And once all that's done, I'm going to quickly assemble this. It is 10:53 a.m. I haven't even brushed my hair yet. And, it got about 5-ish hours worth of drying time, which is all I can afford because I have to be at the con setting up this afternoon. So now it is time to convert these into the final thing. God, brain dead. And there we have it. Quick and dirty in less than 24 hours, but a believable joke prop for Joker. Operating on little sleep, gotta go. Thanks for watching.